Go.
Presenting TV parliamentarians, this regular session is now in order. Madam Secretary, do we have a quorum?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Madam Secretary. Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend the rules of order of business.
Second.
It has been moved and seconded that we suspend the rules of order of business. Question?
Questions.
Those in favor of suspending, raise your hand. Unanimously voted. Rules are suspended.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Mr. Gonzalez.
I move that we teach the SSC and DSC officers the parliamentary practice.
Second.
It has been moved and seconded that we teach the SSC DSC officers parliamentary practice. We are now open for discussion. Mr. Gonzalez, your turn.
So that the SSC and DSC, so that they are in order to, in every meeting, they are in order.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Any more discussion?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Mr. De La Torre.
I move that we amend the main motion. We should include the word, the place for the, where we will teach the SSC and DSC officers. So let's change it to teach the SSC and DSC officers parliamentary practice here at the speech.
Do I hear any second?
Second.
It has been amended. The main motion has now been amended to have a place, which is in the College of Arts speech track. So that motion is now open for discussion. Do you have any discussion about that? Mr. De La Torre, you're first.
Mr. Chair, I believe that this is a suitable place for students to conduct parliamentary practice, and it's accommodating.
Thank you, Mr. De La Torre. Mr. Secretary of the Special Committee, do you have may you read reports regarding the College of Arts speech lab on its availability? What, Mr. Secretary?
The